A very good morning to everyone present here, respected Principal Ma'am, Sir, dear teachers and my fellow students. I, Kervi Savani from grade 6B with my co-anchor
Mantra Bhusha.
I warmly welcome you all to the today's special morning assembly. So today's our theme for the assembly is a person who works in a medical profession who diagnostics and prevents illness and injuries, and he has ability to work in pressure and make quick decisions at the last moment.
Yes, you all guess it right. Today's our theme is doctors, a person who helps us at every moment when we need them. So today our theme is Doctors' Day celebration, a special day to thank our real heroes who heals us and gives us hope. So to give them respect and take blessings from God, let us join our hands and close your eyes for prayer.
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रमनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रमनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं बेर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम् रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम्
Let's start our day with Shlok. For Shlok, I would like to call Vivan Ladani on the desk.
Hello everyone, my name is Vivan Ladani. Today I am speaking Shlok and its meaning. Tasmat askata satatah karya karma samachar uskato hriday charan karma parampati purush. That's meaning, therefore without attachment always perform the work that has to be done. For a person who performs the duty without attachment attains the supreme. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. So now it's time to hear the thought of the day by Ronit Parmar.
Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to speak a thought of the day. Doctors are the silent warriors who fight without arms, heal with their hands, care with their hearts, and behind every medical miracle, that's a doctor dedication. At last, saving one's life makes you a hero. At last, saving one life makes you a doctor, but saving one life makes you a hero. Thank you.
So now it's time for a short speech. So I would like to call Janil Sosa for speech.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kathan Mangrolia. Today we celebrate Doctors' Day, a day to thank real life heroes who care for us, heal us, and save life every single day. Doctors work day and night, often putting others before themselves. Whether it's a small illness or a serious emergency, they are always there to help with their skills, practice, and kindness. During those times, like the COVID-19, we saw just how strong and dedicated our doctors are. They risked everything to protect just how strong and dedicated our doctors are. So, let us take a moment to thank you all to the doctors around the world. Appreciate your hard work, your care, and your endless dedication. Happy Doctors' Day. Thank you. That was a lovely speech. Now let us enjoy a short poem performed by my classmate as a Misri Tilara tribute to all doctors.
Good morning, respected teachers and all dear my friend. I am Mr. Tilara from Standard 6B. Today I am going to tell you a short poem. In times of fear, in times of pain, when hope is lost and skies bring rain, a doctor stands with a steady hand to help to understand. Not all hero wears a cap, some wear white and help us escape. Thank you and have a nice day.
Let us now take a Doctor's Day plate to always respect and appreciate the works doctors do. For the same, I would like to call Janil Sosa.
Guys, let's see performance of dance. Then I take place.
डॉक्टर बनने से पहले हमें एक शपथ लेनी पड़ती है। हिपोक्रेटिक ओथ कहते हैं उसे। कुछ कस्में हैं, जैसे हमेशा सच का साथ देंगे, हर जिंदगी को कीमती मानकर उसका आदर करेंगे, अपने पेशेंट को अपने आप से भी ज्यादा अहम मानेंगे। और इसी दौराहे पर हमारी कहानी शुरू होती है।
नन्ही सी हंसी भोली सी खुशी फूलों सी वो बाहें भूल गए जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें हम घर की राहें भूल गए हम सोए नहीं कई रातों से जाने वतन सा चांद बुझे हमें नींद उसी दिन आएगी जब देखेंगे आबाद तुझे
अस्पताल में लोग इस बीमारी से अकेले लड़ते वक्त
अपने परिवार का साथ चाहते हैं,
पर ऐसे हालातों में हम ही हैं उनके डॉक्टर, हम ही उनका परिवार, हम ही उनकी हिम्मत
और हम ही उनकी उम्मीद।
मजबूर हुई जब दिल की दुआ तो हमने दवा से काम लिया वो नब्ज नहीं फिर थमने दी जिस नब्ज को हमने थाम लिया बीमार है जो किस धर्म का है हमसे न कभी यह भेद हुआ सरहद पे जो वर्दी खाकी थी अब उसका रंग सफेद हुआ
जवान अपनी जान की बाजी लगाकर सरहद की सीमा रेखा की रक्षा कर रहे हैं,
लेकिन भारत की जीवन रेखा की जिम्मेदारी
अब हमारे हाथ में।
सुना था डॉक्टर्स भगवान का रूप होते हैं, पर आज ऐसा लगता है कि कोरोना वायरस से लड़ने की इस चुनौती की घड़ियों में भगवान ने ही डॉक्टर्स का रूप ले लिया।
For the pledge, I would like to call General Sosa.
I thank all doctors for their care and service. I promise to respect doctors and healthcare workers. I will take care of my health and stay hygiene. I will not misuse medicine. I will always be kind and helpful to those in need. Thank you. Happy Doctor's Day.
Doctors work day and night to heal others. Their kindness and care deserve our heartful thanks. To express our gratitude to all doctors, I would like to call Pal Jalavadia.
Good morning, dear all my friends and all the teachers. Myself, Pal Jalavadia from grade 6th B. I am going to tell you the gratitude. So please close your eyes for the same. Let us remember that doctors are not just professionals, they are pillars of our health and well-being. Their work often goes unrecognized, yet they continue with care and courage every single day. So let us express our heartfelt gratitude to every doctor around the world. Happy Doctor's Day. Slowly open your eyes. Thank you and have a nice day.
At last, we conclude our assembly. So for the conclusion, I would like to call Parva Bhuta on the dais. Please have a big round of applause for him.
everybody. Here I am Parvabhut to take a conclusion of the day. So let us take a moment to appreciate the selfless, dedicated and expertise of our doctors. They are true heroes who work tirelessly to feel comfort, to save lives on Doctors' Day. We honor their commitment and express our gratitude for all that they do. And happy Doctors' Day to all. Thank you to being a great audience.